So what's up everyone and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. If you want to copy slides from one PowerPoint presentation into another, here's the easiest way to do it. So firstly, open the PowerPoint presentation where you want to add the slides. Go to the Home tab and click the arrow next to New Slide. Select Reuse Slides from the menu and a panel will appear where you can browse for another PowerPoint presentation. Choose the presentation you want to copy from and then click the slides you want to add to your current presentation. If you want the imported slides to keep their original formatting, enable Keep Source Formatting before inserting them. Now you can quickly add slides from another PowerPoint presentation without having to recreate them from scratch. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching. And please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel if it helped you out, and I will see you on the next video.